Mezquita de Cordoba, or the Great Mosque of Cordoba, is located in the historic center of Cordoba city in Spain. The site at which the Cordoba Mosque is currently located has been a religious site for Muslims and Christians, and the site was swapped back and forth between the two religions. Before the arrival of the Moors, it was on this site that the San Vicente church was built, which was later converted into the Great Mosque of Cordoba in 785. It was again converted into a cathedral in 1236. The Cordoba Mosque stands as an example of a blend in culture and architecture of the East and West. Its architectural design has Islamic art forms uniformly blended with Christian elements. The bell tower, Patio de los Naranjos, Mihrab, and the prayer hall are some of the major highlights with amazing works of art and architecture. It is written that the Mezquita contains an original Quran and the bones from the arm of the ancient prophet, it one of the most sanctified places on earth. Patio de los Naranjos serves as an entrance to the mosque featuring a courtyard with flourishing trees and flourishing fountains. The 54-m tall bell tower of Mezquita de Cordoba provides an astounding bird's-eye view of the city.